Yo, did Will Smith just actually jump out of a helicopter for charity? Wait. As I'm doing my research, I see Yes Theory challenge Will Smith to jump out of a helicopter. Bungee jump out of a helicopter, I might add.
Alright, hear me out. This is gonna sound crazy, but what if we challenge Will Smith to heli bungee?
What the hell is heli bungee?
And he accepts the challenge.
I want a background check done on these guys. I want to make sure they're not trying to kill me.
I think it can be done.
So the day finally comes, and Will Smith, he actually does it. Now we can see it's pretty real, but you think they took any precautions for this man, this movie star, A-class actor, to just randomly jump out of a helicopter, bungee jump out of a helicopter? Do you really think this wasn't staged? That's a good one. Do you really think this wasn't staged? Let us know. I'm curious to debate this one. Let's talk about it. Will Smith jumps out of a helicopter for charity, challenged by Yes Theory's YouTube channel. He accepts the challenge, so. Will Smith the man of the year for doing this. Or maybe he's just very adventurous. We can see from his movies. Deuces.